willing to take a little bit of risk. It is scary coming out of 9 months of education and then going right into the real world. You will feel nervous and you will make mistakes, but the world is your oyster. There are opportunities outside of where you grew up. There are opportunities across the United States that might be a fit for you, but stick with your values, though. Definitely stick with your values.
Bring something to the table, an attitude, a work ethic, sell yourself, be in charge of your career, but bring something to the table.
You need your own confidence. You gotta look inside yourself and push yourself harder than anybody's ever gonna push you. Trying to figure out what you should do next. Did I do the right thing? Did I just make the wrong move? You won't know, but likelihood is you did fine. You just gotta figure out your path.
Don't give up. It's scary. You come out of an environment like Wyotech where everything's structured, everything's, you're on a schedule, and then you get to the real world. You get to the real workforce. You get out on the diesel and you get into collision. Things are different. Don't get discouraged. It takes time. You got to put your time in and just keep focused. If you're gonna spend the time and you made the financial commitment to come and do this training for a year to year and a half, you need to invest that same time outside of that with the company you decide to go with.
Take your time, do your research, look at what you're getting in the package, and then look for how that benefits them not only in a financial aspect, but in a personal aspect.
When you're looking at where you want to be, make sure the community you go and the organization, the company that you go to work for is something that fits for you. Take in consideration, it's not always that dollar amount on your paycheck, it's not always that hourly amount on your wage, it's what fits for you, looking at the whole picture of it, cost of living of the area that you're going to. We believe that work-life balance is gold, and if you have balance at home, you're going to have balance at work, and you're going to strive to do better and find success in what you do.
The dollar amount tied to these jobs isn't always what drives happiness. There's a lot of people that make tons of money and they're some of the most unhappy people in the world. And then there's a ton of people that don't make any money and they're unhappy as well. But you can tie it all together. I think it's doing what you love and love what you're doing.